The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the best Android phone yet with a truly innovative and useful privacy display. You also get promising agentic AI features like Now Nudge, a thinner and lighter design, and better photos in low light. But the camera bump is a bit much and there is still no silicon carbon battery. Here is the pros and cons in my full review. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is supposed to herald the age of agentic AI phones, but that doesn't mean much to the average person wondering if it's the best phone they can buy or if they should upgrade. The gist is that the AI inside this flagship should now be able to anticipate your needs better and help get stuff done for you. For example, the Now Brief feature surfaces recommendations based on the context of your texts. So, if someone asks you what time you want to go to the lunch, a little calendar button shortcut will show up, and soon, with automated app actions, you will be able to use your voice to do things like book an Uber or create a DoorDash order in the background via Gemini. In other words, apps are about to become a lot less relevant. Personally, I am more impressed with the S26 Ultra's hardware plus software innovations. Things like privacy display, which obscures private info from onlookers and can do so on an app-by-app basis, and the new horizon lock for shooting video, keeping your footage super steady no matter how shaky your hands. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is also lighter and thinner than its predecessor, and its camera system is noticeably improved in low light conditions. However, there are some things I don't like about the S26 Ultra, including its oversized camera bump and that its screen is dimmer than the previous S25 Ultra. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra has a release date of March 11. The Galaxy S26 Ultra remains a steep $1,299, but at least Samsung didn't give this flagship a $100 price hike like the regular S26 and S26 Plus. You can also get up to $900 off with an instant trade-in credit. Just like before, the S26 Ultra starts with 256 GB of storage, but you can upgrade to 512 GB for $1,499 and 1 TB for $1,799. In our previous iPhone 17 Pro Max vs Galaxy S25 Ultra camera shootout, Samsung lost points for mediocre low-light performance, but Samsung is firing back with a wider aperture on its main 200-megapixel camera and 50-megapixel telephoto lens. The result should be up to 47% and 37% brighter images through these two cameras. So I put that to set the test in a series of shots with the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's flagship. Check out this zoom shot of Clock Tower. The Galaxy S26 Ultra image is noticeably clearer, while the S25 Ultra shot is fuzzy and chock full of noise. So, how about colors? In this shot of tinted daisies, I prefer the brighter image from the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers a bit more detail in the petals and more contrast, so it comes down to personal preference. The S26 Ultra fared better indoors too. In this nearly dark room, it shot a brighter image of these decorative flowers and vase. You can make out more detail in the petals and the lamp in the background. The iPhone 17 Pro Max captures an even brighter shot too. Here are some camera samples of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is one of those phones that should get better and smarter over time. The agentic AI features are good now, but should become more useful as the phone gets to know your patterns. And automated app actions seem to have a lot of potential, assuming the integration with Uber, DoorDash, and other apps works as promised. The reasons to get the S26 Ultra right now and upgrade your phone are features like privacy display. At a time phone makers are being criticized for iterative updates, this is a truly innovative feature that solves a problem and it is completely customizable. I am also very impressed with the horizon lock feature when shooting video and improved low light photos and videos. I'd like to see a design that doesn't wobble on your desk with a revamped camera bump, and I'm a bit worried that I got a scratch on the back of the phone after just a week of testing, and while the battery life is solid, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is still ahead on endurance and Samsung could surge ahead if it embraces silicon carbon tech. Overall, I highly recommend the S26 Ultra. It's super smart, sleek and fast.